Hi, fourth graders. We're starting on a new topic today that's kind of exciting because we get to learn lots of new words. I always think it's really fun when I'm learning or when I'm reading and when I'm writing to learn a new word. Sometimes you can learn new words just by the way authors put their sentences together. They often give you clues. So today we're going to do some mapping of synonyms. You know that a synonym is a word or words that mean the same thing or close to the same thing. So sometimes we can't think of very many words that mean the same thing, but we know that we want to have variety in our writing because it makes it more interesting. So a really good tool to use is to have a thesaurus. It's kind of it ends just like dinosaurs do, so it's a thesaurus. The TH is unvoiced, so thesaurus. This one's in dictionary format, and all a thesaurus is for is looking up words and finding synonyms for them. So this word is city, and some synonyms for city are metropolis, municipality, and town. I'm sure you all knew town, but maybe not metropolis or municipality. Then what's even cooler is that some words will have antonyms. Like if I go up here, my word is circular, and some synonyms are listed. I've got chubby, complete, curved, bulbous, cylindrical, round, ring-like, and some others. But then there's an antonym. So an antonym or an opposite meaning would be straight. And so these are good tools to use when you're writing, especially, so you can put a variety of words in there. If you don't have a thesaurus at home, which I think probably most houses don't, you can always Google synonyms. So we are going to make story maps today, and I am going to include, not story maps, but word maps. I'm going to include in this video, or on in your slides, some pages from a thesaurus. So your words, and these don't have antonyms, but they have lots of synonyms for each word. For example, the word cute. That's a word fourth graders use a lot. You could also use adorable, attractive, charming, dainty, handsome, or lovely. So if you're writing a story about a really cute boy or a really cute princess, you could add some fun, different words in there. So you'll be able to use this to help you. And what I want you to do is choose 3 of the words on this page and make a word map. Just it's kind of like a graphic organizer of synonyms. So you're going to put your main word in the center. So I chose the word anxious. I think anxious is a good word, and it's fun to say. And I could think of lots of synonyms. I found nervous, worried, concerned, edgy, insecure, fearful. I even thought of jittery, things like that. So you're going to choose 3 words. Put your word in the center, then use the synonym sheets or a thesaurus of your own to come up with synonyms to put around the outside. And I want you to choose 3 of these words. We have dense, delicate, raw, ordinary, capture, dangerous, bright, fumble, shriek, grasp, mention, create, polite, humble, and decrease. And this time, I want you to choose 3 words that are more common for you, words that you maybe use quite often or don't even have to think about. You know exactly what they mean. I want you to pick 3 words like that and then find some words that you can substitute for them. I also challenge you to come up with a word of your own that's not on this list and make a word map for it. You can just copy this form into your reader's notebook. If you have a printer, you can print it off, and then you can make as many copies as you want. And you don't have to make, like, this doesn't have to be your whole page. You could maybe get 2 or maybe 3 words on one page. You don't have to have 6 circles. You might have 4 circles for one word, or you might have 8 circles for one word. It just depends on how many synonyms you can find. All right? Another challenge, if you want, you could use the lines to write antonyms. All right? That would be kind of fun, words that mean the opposite. So today is all about kind of playing with words and their meanings, and start noticing as you're reading how the author uses different words to say the same thing. It helps your writing to get better when you notice things like that, and it really helps your reading comprehension. All right, have fun reading and writing. See you later.